Class 7th, social study. Today we have to study unit number 10. It is about the early Muslims. Umayyad and the Crusades. Today we have to do the exercise. Let's see question number 1. What was significance about Umayyad period? The Umayyad period is known mainly for the conquest by the Arab armies and its navy. This was the period of dramatic and rapid Muslim expansion to North Africa, Spain, a brief excursion into France to what is now known as the Middle East, into Russia until stopped by the relatively barren steppes, and eastwards into the borders of China, where the lines of communication were too far stretched and no further advance was made. Under the Umayyads, the Arab Empire expanded in all directions. Question number 2. Why is the Abbasid rule known as the age of wealth and culture? The Abbasids ruled Answer is the Abbasid ruled at a time of greater political stability and security. Their rule is known for its emphasis on knowledge, research, scientific and cultural growth, and its economic power. This was a period of great culture and learning, especially in mathematics, science, and medicine. Ancient manuscripts from Greece and Rome were collected and translated in this way. They were saved for posterity. It is rightly known as the age of wealth and culture. The question number 3: uh, how did the Europeans benefit from the Crusades? The Europeans learned a great deal from the Arabs of those times, as the latter had developed a more advanced civilization. Details are given in the textbook at page 48 to 50. In addition, there were great advances in learning and science. The new products, especially steel, silk, cotton, and carpets, led to a dramatic rise in trade between East and West, and ultimately the wage of discovery. Question number 4 is: find out about those places in Spain which have Muslim Arab history. Look up words that have Arab origin. For example, alchemy, algebra. Can you think of more? The answer is places in Spain that have an Islamic history are Granada, Cordoba, and Toledo, to name a few. The influence is seen in the architecture, culture, literature, and language, and music, as well as cuisine. The entire Iberian Peninsula was known as Al-Andalus, and a province in southern Spain is still called Andalusia. Words with Arabic origins can easily be found on the internet. The range is fascinating. Question number 5. Find out more about the Mongols. Who were their later descendants in subcontinent? The Mongols were a mainly Mongolian race from the north of China. Due to the harsh surroundings they lived in, they were fierce and competitive. They were nomadic tribes and were nature worshippers. Genghis Khan united them into one tribe, and later they converted to Islam. Their later famous descendants were the Mughal rulers of the subcontinent who established the Mughal Empire. So in this way, the Abbasid Caliphate is all finished in this lesson. Thank you.